So this is our table that is showing like the temperature of the days and then the amount of Jamba Juices sold. We're gonna find the line of best fit for these numbers. Okay.
So we go to stat and there's edit, you press enter, and then you add the temperatures. Here are going to be your X, so that's your L1, and then the number of Jamba Juice sold is going to be your Y, which is your L2. So 53, enter, 62, 70, 82, and 90. And then 90, 105, 117, 131, and 147. Okay. And then, let's see. Alright.
Step 2.
So then, since you put your X and Y values in, you go to second.
Wait, pause. Get your eyelashes done. Hit up Allison's mom. Okay.
So from here, you go to second, and you hit stat plot, and you have to make sure your stat is on, and it's on. So then from here, you go to window, and you put your highest values in, which I have already done. So then now, from window, you graph, and that's your line right there. And then you go to stat, and you go to calc, and you go all the way down to linreg, x plus b, and you press enter again, and then you get your equation, your y equation. These are a and b for our y equation. So now we go to y equals, and we put a was our 1.48, so it's 1.48 x plus 12.09. And now we graph. And there is our line. Approaching. So
Alright, so here we have a system of equations. For a system of equations, you will have 3 equations given to you, and you will have to solve for each variable and find a solution. So this is our first equation, second, and third. So what your first step is you want to eliminate a variable. So in this case, we are going to eliminate z. So what we do is we need to multiply the top equation by 2. So it can have different signs, and since this is 2z, this will be 2z as well. So we move over here, and we got 2z, and then negative 2z, and we cross those out, and we get x minus 4y equals 9 for our fourth equation. From our fourth equation, we're going to go and try to eliminate another variable. Preferably the same variable because it'll be easier to put 4 and 5 together. So what we did is we took equation number 1 and number 3 and we multiplied the first equation by 2 so we can get rid of negative 2z down here. So we move over here and these two cancel out, and what we get left with is negative x plus 4y equals negative 9. So your next step would be to put equations 4 and 5 together. So that's what we did here. And these two x's canceled out, 4y and negative 4y canceled out, and the 9 and negative 9 canceled out, which means there's no solution, so we call that infinite solution.
bang. Alright, so in this lesson, I didn't expect to have to do all this stuff. I thought the video was going to be kind of easy, but that's kind of hard to think of little problems and stuff. So this was a lesson of how we're supposed to do our videos in the future, and it helps us because we can explain to people. So it just makes it real simple for others, So I hope you like the video too.
Hey.
Work it out.
Oh, okay. Okay, so my reflection. This video helped because when we got stuck, we didn't know what to do. So we referred back to our notes, which taught me that you need to take good notes. Otherwise, you will not know what you're doing. And 2, this was a good like review because Unit 1 is the base of what you're learning throughout the year. So this is like your solidness of, yeah, you know what I'm trying to say. Like,
what you mean, wait, no, like, what? You better act like you know, nigga, it's Nicki Minaj.